Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is 6 years after Ayodhya verdict, new mosque is still a work in progress. Design is in. Now, the article marks 6 years since the Supreme Court's Ayodhya verdict, which was in 2019, which allotted 5 acres of land to the Muslim side for constructing a mosque after the Ram temple was permitted at the disputed site. Despite the Ram temple nearing completion, the new mosque project has barely progressed. And the Indo-Islamic Culture Foundation (IICF), entrusted with the project, was given land in Dhanipur village, 25 kilometers from the demolished Babri Masjid site. However, construction has been delayed because of administrative approvals and lack of funds. The earliest construction can start is March 2026. Now, the Supreme Court, the mosque is to be named the Muhammad bin Abdullah Masjid. IICF members say detailed drawings for the structure must be submitted and approved by the Faizabad Development Authority (FDA), and the approval process alone may take over 3 months. Now, the original 2021 design included a glass facade and modern look, which community members opposed for being too modern and futuristic. The trust is now preparing a more traditional and culturally rooted design that highlights Islamic architectural heritage. Now, the complex will not only include the mosque but also a hospital, museum, community kitchen, and an Indo-Islamic Culture Research Center. Donations remain slow because many people found that earlier design unrelatable. Now, lastly, the article also contrasts the slow progress with the Ram Temple, which was recently inaugurated in a grand celebratory attended by the Prime Minister. The Ram Temple Trust confirmed that the main temple structure would be finished by 2026, and the solid financial support has enabled faster construction. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So, it is very highly important for polity and judiciary perspective, relates to the 2019 Supreme Court Ayodhya verdict, a landmark judgment on. Then, Article 142, extraordinary powers of Supreme Court to ensure complete justice, archaeological evidence evaluation, communal harmony and dispute resolution. Then second, constitutional bodies for Waqf Board, trust and role of civil administration. This is highly relevant for GS paper 2. And then governance and administration, issues in land allotment, approval process, implementation delays, trust and fund management. Then for cultural perspective also it is very important, which is debate over modern versus traditional design, connects to Islamic architecture, prevention of cultural identity, importance of community sentiments and public religious structures, and lastly, society perspective. It is very important. It reflects inter-community relations, sensitivity of religious issues. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.